Once upon a time, there was a man who worked hard and heavily just to put food on the table. Now, this particular year, just a couple of days before Christmas, he punished his 5-year-old little daughter because she had taken a roll of the fancy wrapping paper, golden and beautiful. Now, this particular year, money was really tight. So he became really upset when he saw that she had taken the paper and wrapped this ugly shoebox and placed it under the Christmas tree. And he became really concerned when he thought about where did she get the money from to buy whatever was in that box. Nevertheless, the next morning, the girl wakes up and full with excitement, she takes the parcel and she runs up to her father and she says, "This is for you, Daddy." Embarrassed by his earlier outbreaks, he so wished that he hadn't punished his daughter. And as he opens the parcel, he looks into it and he sees that there is nothing in there, and he feels his anger flare again and he screams, "Young lady, don't you know that if you give a parcel to someone, it has to contain something?" And the little girl, scared, tears rolling down her cheeks. She trembles in her voice when she whispers out, But Daddy, I blew kisses into it until it was all full." And the father falls down on his knees. He's crushed and he wraps his arms around her and gives her a hug and says, I'm sorry for being angry." A while later, the daughter dies in a car crash. And it is said, and it is told, that the father kept the box by his bedside table for his entire life. And every time he had problems in life, hard times in life, he opened the box and he picked out one of the imaginary kisses and he remembered the unconditional love and the beauty of his daughter. Now the thing is, the reality is, that you have such a box. I have such a box. We all have such a box, filled with memories of kisses and hugs, of caring and love. And you can open it whenever you want to in life, whenever hard times come by you. Now this Christmas you can give materialistic things to friends and family, but that pales in comparison to filling their box, to giving them the greatest gift you can give them, to filling their box with a kiss, to filling their box with a hug, to filling their box with caring, and to fill their box with your unconditional love. Because there is no other present, there is no other gift you can give them which is of greater value than your time. And your time and your presence. Try not to be in the past, try not to be in the future. Be there with them. Fill their boxes with these memories. That is the most beautiful thing you can give another human being. That is the sense moral of this story. Now from me and from my entire team, wherever you are on this planet, we wish you the most beautiful Christmas. Merry, Merry Christmas.